Cell count is carried out by option A hemocytometer, option B hemoglobinometer, option C phygmomanometer, option D electrocardiogram. The hemocytometer is a device originally designed for the counting of blood cells. It was invented by Louis Charles Malazes and consists of a thick glass microscopic slide with a rectangular indentation that creates a chamber. Hence, option A is the right answer for this question. Okay, let's see our next question. Systole refers to the contraction of option A atria and ventricles, option B SA node, option C AV node, option D none of the above. Systole refers to the contraction of atria which propels blood into ventricles, and contraction of ventricles expels blood into aorta and pulmonary artery. Hence, option A atria and ventricles is the right answer for this question. Okay, next question. Coronary heart disease is due to option A streptococci bacteria, option B inflammation of pericardium, option C weakening of the heart valves, option D insufficient blood supply to the heart muscles. Artery disease, often referred to as atherosclerosis, affects the vessels that supply blood to the heart muscle. It is caused by the deposition of calcium, fat, cholesterol and fibrous tissue which makes the lumen of arteries narrower. Hence, option D is the right answer for this question. Okay, let's see our next question. All veins carry deoxygenated blood except option A pulmonary vein, option B hepatic vein, option C hepatic portal vein, option D renal vein. Pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium of the heart. Hepatic portal vein forms the hepatic portal system. It enters liver and breaks into capillaries. The renal artery branches out from the dorsal aorta and supplies blood to the kidney. So, option A pulmonary vein is the right answer for this question. Okay, let's see our next question. Next one. A person with blood group A requires blood. The blood group which can be given is option A and B, option B, A and AB, option C, A and O, option D, A, B, AB and O. Let's start from the basic. ABO blood grouping is based on the presence or absence of two surface antigens or the RBC, namely A and B. Remember that absence of antigen denotes blood group O. Similarly, the plasma of different individual contains two natural antibodies, that is proteins produced in response to antigens. The distribution of antigens and antibodies makes four groups of blood, namely A, B, AB and O. You probably know that during blood transfusion, any blood cannot be used. The blood of a donor has to be carefully matched with the blood of a recipient before any blood transfusion to avoid severe problems of clumping, that is destruction of RBC. If a patient's blood group is A, then his RBC surface contains antigen A and his blood plasma contains antibody anti-B. So the donor's group can be A, which has the same antigen as the recipient, or the donor's group can be O, whose RBC surface have no antigens. Hence, option C, A and O is the right answer for this question. Okay, that's it about this question. Let's see our next question. Bundle of hairs is a part of which one of the following organs in humans? Option A brain, option B heart, option C kidney, option D pancreas. Hairs is a part of heart. It is a collection of heart muscle cells and specialized for electrical conduction. So option B heart is the right answer for this question. Okay, let's see our next question. Next one. Of blood involves option A hemolysis of RBCs, option B denaturation of albumins by thrombin, option C inactivation of plasma clotting factor, option D change of fibrinogen to fibrin by thrombin. Platelets in the bloodstream comes into contact with a damaged blood vessel. They and the vessel wall itself release the enzyme thrombokinase, which brings the conversion of the inactive enzyme prothrombin into the active thrombin. Thrombin is in turn catalyzes the conversion of the soluble protein fibrinogen present in the blood plasma to the insoluble fibrin. This fibrous protein forms a net over the wound that traps red blood cells and scales the wound. Calcium, vitamin K, and a variety of enzymes called factors are also necessary for efficient blood clotting. So, option D is the right answer for this question. Okay, let's see our next question. What is diapedesis? Option A, a kind of amoeboid movement. Option B, the process of filtration of urea and kidney. Option C, a type of locomotion found in hydra. Option D, migration of WBCs into the tissue spaces from blood capillaries. During a wound, germs are removed by the process of phagocytosis by WBCs. WBCs accumulate at the site of wound by diapedesis. Diapedesis is the squeezing of leukocytes out from the endothelium of capillaries to fight against foreign antigens. Hence, the correct answer is option D. Okay, let's see our next question. The duration of cardiac cycle is option A, 0.8 seconds, option B 0.8 microseconds, option C 0.08 seconds, option D 0.008 seconds. The sequence of events which takes place during the completion of one heartbeat is called cardiac cycle. The duration of cardiac cycle is about 0.8 seconds. Thus option A is the right answer for this question. Okay. Let's see our next question. Which of the following carries blood rich in food materials from intestine to liver? Option A, dorsal aorta. Option B, renal portal vein. Option C, hepatic portal vein. Option D, thoracic cavity. Hepatic portal system made up of hepatic portal vein. By the system, the venous blood returning from different parts of the alimentary canal, example intestine, is first redistributed in the liver so that the excess quantity of digested nutrients like glucose, amino acids may be taken out from it. Amino acids may be taken out from it by the liver cells before it reaches the heart. So the right option is C, hepatic portal vein. So that's it for the day, guys. Hope you guys learned something. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Happy learning. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.